hold on. Yeah. In these last few weeks, I haven't really given myself the time to just have fun with my makeup and my hair and just get ready for me. Today, I'm really going to try to spice up my look and maybe do some things that I don't normally do. Thank you so much, YSL, for working with me. I am so excited to get into the makeup portion, but we're gonna start off with the hair first. We are going to be sitting here for a while. Well, you guys aren't because I'm going to speed this up, but I am definitely not going anywhere anytime soon. I recently purchased this 1/2 inch curling iron. It is so thin. I don't think I've ever curled my hair with something this skinny, so I'm excited. Part the hair. I'm gonna section my hair in half, split that in half as well. For thermal protection, I am using the DP Hue ACV Apple Cider Vinegar Leave-In Hair Therapy. I'm just gonna spray this onto each section before curling the hair. Whatever you're using, make sure you're brushing it out so that it evenly distributes. Oh my God, you guys, we are going to be here for so long. I don't know if I should use the clamp or just kind of wrap the pieces around because they create different curls. We're committing. I'm gonna put on a podcast. Make use of this time.
Baby, you get your way. Nothing I can do.
These curls are obviously way too perfectly curled and it looks pretty silly on me, so I am going to start kind of messing with them and pulling them out with my fingers. But I'm assuming if I went through it with a brush, it would get too frizzy. Oh my God, this is so fun. Oh my God, this is amazing. I'm obsessed. Moneymaker Flexible Hold Hairspray from Dry Bar. I'm just gonna spray this throughout my whole hair. I love it. Okay, let me clip my hair back and we'll start with the makeup. I've been on the hunt for a tinted moisturizer because it has been so hot out here. The idea of putting on full coverage foundation, I just can't relate to it. I don't see it in my future. I don't want to think about it. You guys, I found it. I found her. It's the YSL Touche Éclat All-in-One Glow Tinted Moisturizer. It's got broad spectrum SPF 23, natural to medium coverage, so you can definitely build with it. Of course, it depends on like the way you want to put it on. I'm going to be using a beauty blender. This tinted moisturizer evens complexion, eliminates dullness, and smooths fine lines in your face. It comes in 12 different shades. The one that I'm using is B30. I'm just gonna pump some onto the back of my hand. I'm gonna start off with 1.5 pumps. I'm just gonna start patting this onto the skin. This formula is extremely hydrating. It has 70% water, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and antioxidants. It's got oil-free ingredients, so it's not gonna feel cakey or heavy. The Touche Éclat All-in-One Glow Tinted Moisturizer is available right now on Sephora.com. I will have links down below. I'm grabbing a little bit more and I'm just gonna go in on areas that could use a little bit more coverage. Rather than using concealer, I'm just gonna build up on the moisturizer because the more layers you add, the more coverage you're gonna get. This stuff is basically supposed to make you feel like you're just wearing your skin, but a little bit better. That's all the coverage that we are going to be doing today. Lip balm from Le Labo. All right, so next up, I'm going to contour my face with this Giorgio Armani A Contour. So I'm going to draw out where I want to shadow my face and just kind of blend away with my fingers in a tapping motion. I'm gonna add a little bit up here. I'm gonna add this to my eyelids as well, kind of focusing on the crease. I'm just blending with my finger. I think pulling the same product all around your face in the right areas makes everything look super natural. So whether it's taking your blush and bringing it up into your eyes or using your lip product for your blush, which is what I'm going to do today, I think it just kind of like makes it look like that's your natural flushed color. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. You guys know Benefit Browsing's palette, but this time I'm going to use the cream product. I always start off on the bottom and kind of figure out how I want to shape from there. I feel like I always skip over my brows because they're not that fun to watch, but for those of you wondering how I do it, I straighten out the top right here. This in-between area, I don't touch if I have any product on my brush because I really want it to be blended out. Brush the hairs up. I'm gonna set my brows with the Milk Makeup Clear Brow Gel. Up and out. I'm gonna go extremely light with the powder. I just want to get it under the eyes because my eye shape tends to crease up right here. I'm going to use this pressed under eye powder from Pat McGrath Labs. It's in the shade Light. Very lightly just dust that over the eye area. I'm gonna jump to lipstick because I'm also going to use this for my cheeks. This lipstick is called The Slim by YSL. It's so cool. It comes out in like a rectangular diamond shape. This is in the shade 11. Just blending it with my fingers. I'm gonna add some of this to the back of my hand, just so my skin warms up the product. Using a brush, I'm going to stipple it onto my cheeks. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm gonna go a little bit on the temples here since I kind of have a bit of a tan. You can't really tell, not on my face, but I definitely do on my body. This will kind of mock like a suntan a little bit. Using the last of that product, I'm going to add it to my lids with my fingers. Some powder bronzer. I feel like I always just have to add like a little bit of bronzer, even if I contour my face with a cream product. Once again, we're gonna take a face product and add it to our eyes. I'm gonna run this underneath my lash line, bring it up onto my upper lash line. Let's jump to highlighter. Tom Ford Sheer Lightning Duo. We're gonna add this to the tops of our cheeks. Throw it on the eyes. That's the motto for today's video. Everything you put on your face, put on the eyes. We're gonna do some eyeliner. Black liquid liner, we're doing it. I haven't done this in a while, but you know what? That is what we're doing today. Things that we don't normally do. You guys, I gotta do this off camera. I have to. Period. Close enough for me. We got pretty dramatic pretty quick. I'm gonna continue bringing this into the inner tear duct. I'm gonna use a little bit of black eyeshadow just to kind of buff out where the wing ends. I'm gonna curl the lashes. Some YSL mascara. Let's shake out this hair a little more. Just adding a little bit more hairspray. So, I haven't done something this fun in so long. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope this video inspires you to do something fun and different. Maybe next time I'll go crazier with colors and stuff, but listen, baby steps. If you want to try out any of the products, they will be linked down below. Every product that I use from YSL is available on Sephora. I highly, highly recommend trying out their Tinted Moisturizer. The Touche Éclat All-in-One Glow Tinted Moisturizer is available right now on Sephora.com. I will have links down below. Thank you so much, YSL, for sponsoring today's video. I had so much fun giving myself a reason to get ready and look cute. I will see you guys for a new video very, very soon, and I love you all.